Welcome to Cooking for You. Guys, you have already been eaten vegetable pulao, chicken pulao or mutton pulao. But today we are going to make prawns pulao. How simple is the recipe and how to make it quickly? Let's go and check it out. Let's start with prawn pulao. For this we need prawns 500 grams, add turmeric powder to it, add salt to it and add red chilli powder 2 tablespoons to it and add coriander powder, add ginger garlic paste, squeeze a lemon into it and now give it a mix. Make sure each and every prawn should be coated with the masala. Now we are adding a spoonful of oil to it. In another bowl, we have taken basmati rice of 150 grams. Soak it for 30 minutes. Now in another pan, heat up oil, add marinated prawns to it. You can see that we have put down the prawns in the pan and giving them separated. Stirring in the mid and make sure to cook it on a low flame. Keep stirring in the mid because we don't want it to get burned. Now you can see all the water has been sorted up and the prawns have become dry. Now after getting it sort, take all the prawns into a separate plate. Now in the same pan, add oil plus ghee. Now add bay leaves to it. This is the masala we are preparing. We have added cinnamon cloves to it. Now add chopped medium size onions. Let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now add slitted green chilies. Now curry leaves. Add ginger garlic paste and give it a mix. Now add chopped onions, tomatoes. because we don't want it to get burnt. Now add salt to taste. You can see all the ingredients, how thoroughly they have cooked up. Now add coriander powder to it, fennel powder to it, pulao masala. Mix it well. And now the base is ready. Add the soaked rice into it. Mix it thoroughly with the masala. Make sure you do all this on a very low flame. You can see all the vegetables have mixed up with rice very neatly. And now add water to it for the rice to be cooked. Add salt as per your taste. Give it a slight mix. Keep stirring in the mid. Now close with the lid. As the water comes to boil, again give it a mix and add prawns to it, the cooked prawns to it. Mix it well and leave and add coriander from above. Let it cook like rice we cook every day. It's done. There you go. You have just checked out the prawns pulao, shrimps pulao, how easy and quickly we made it. So guys, give it a try and give us a share, like and also a comment on this. Thank you.